Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this zigzag two messy buns on my natural hair, fluffy baby hair. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I ate this hairstyle up. Y'all can't even lie. It's fire, yeah. And it was super quick and super easy. So give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit the bell next to the subscribe thing and make sure y'all subscribe. And I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, so I'm coming with my dusty silk press. It's old, crunchy, dusty. It looked bad. So it was time to do something to it. And y'all, look how much my hair done grew. Yes, shop my products. I'm gonna leave them down in the description bar below. My shampoo, conditioner, growth serum, all that. But anyway, let's get back into the video. So I'm just brushing out my hair because it was tangled. And I am using some leave-in conditioner from Jackie's, and I'm using my growth serum to oil my hair and scalp, get it back moisturized before I put it into this little style, because when I say it was crunchy, y'all, it was crunchy. So I really didn't want to put no heat in my hair, but I needed to for this hairstyle because my edges was crunchy looking. So I hot combed my edges and I did curl my ponytails at the end. Y'all will see that. Also, I want y'all to know that just because my hair is long and I'm using my real hair in this video, don't mean that y'all can't do this hairstyle too. If your hair is not as long as mine, you can still do the hairstyle. Either you can use your real hair and just fluff out your real hair, like tease it, or just curl it and have smaller buns, or you can use weave. You can use like some old tracks or like some synthetic tracks or something and wrap it around and make a bun that way. I'll link a video on how to do the buns or do a bun with weave if y'all want to use weave instead of doing it with y'all real hair. So anyways, now that I got that all, situated, and now it's looking a little sleek, I can start on the ponytail part. So I am combing out where I want my fluffy baby hairs to be, and I'm just parting them out, and then I'm gonna go in and do my zigzag part. Y'all, I never did a zigzag part on my hair, and I didn't realize that I really didn't know what I was doing until I was doing it. So yeah, it took me a while to really get the part down packed, but I did end up getting it, and I did edit it so that y'all wouldn't be watching me struggle. So it's gonna be a little fast forwarded, and it might look like it's kind of skipping around a little bit, but that's because it took me a long time to get this part together. So by the time y'all see it, it'll be looking nice. So that's as good as it gets for the part. I'm just going to be using my olive oil spritz to mold my hair down. I'm going to be spraying it using my brush. Well, I started off using a brush, but I needed something that was smaller and a little bit more precise, so I'm going to end up using my comb. But yeah, I'm just spraying it, molding it down in place, and then using my blow dryer to dry it. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to do that for both of the ponytails, and then I'll come back when it's time to do my buns. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you. all that I crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but
don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
You always make me feel like home, yeah, you.
Trim my edges all the time. Like, I feel like I'm constantly trimming them. I probably got too much out on this side, but whatever. They grow back so fast though. Like, I feel like as soon as I just trimmed them, it's time to trim them again. My baby's crying. Say hi. Say I was crying because I don't want mommy to record her video because she's talking to the people, but her not talking to me. Yeah. Say hi, Halo. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to be curling my ponytail. I'm just going to be separating it into like 4 big sections and curling it like that. It don't have to be super neat because the whole point is for the buns to be messy. And also when you curl it, it shortens up the hair a little bit and it give it like a fluffy, bouncy kind of look.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just yeah, you always make me.
It's time for me to form the bun. I am leaving a little section of the hair out because that's gonna be like the section that I have like hanging like loose curl kind of thing. You could just wrap the whole thing and then pull pieces out, but I just left a piece out. So I'm just kind of like twirling it around and wrapping it like loosely and leaving the end of the hair out, and then I'm using a rubber band to go around twice. And I'm not doing it evenly. I'm like doing it random. And then I'm like just fluffing out the bun, and then the pieces that I want to like come closer in, I'm bobby pinning them in. I really have no real method, but like you could kind of see what I'm doing. Like I randomly put the rubber band on it and then I bobby pinned the pieces down that looked like they was out of place. And that looked like a cute bun to me, so I just played with it, played with the little curl piece, split the curl piece into like I think like 3 pieces, and I just like left them hanging, and then I went in and like curled it some more. I just, played with it until I got it looking how I wanted it to look. And then I went ahead and did my baby hair.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, so now for my baby hair, I'm just going to be using my flat irons to curl them. Normally I use my little tiny flat iron that's smaller than this one, but since I already had this one heated up, I just went ahead and used this one. As y'all can see, that thing hot. So I'm just curling under my baby hair, and then I'm going to be using that olive oil spritz again to mold my baby hair down. I like to use spritz instead of like edge control and stuff because the spritz, I don't know, I feel like it lasts longer and they look more fluffy rather than when you use edge control. They look more like on a shinier side. They look more weighed down and shiny. I want them to be like fluffy and airy.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds. And tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work out.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all know, this is the final result. Yeah. Just in time for the holidays. Yeah. It's giving what it's supposed to give.